Everything is possible for the one who believes. I will not grow weary of doing what is good. I will reap the reward when I overcome. I am committed to demanding more of myself, to showing up fully in this world each and every day. I am an action taker. Massive action creates power, and power creates change. I am stronger than anyone knows, including myself. I am a daughter of the King. I have all I need and all I will ever want. I am remarkably made. I am worth more than rubies or diamonds. I am a masterpiece, God's beloved child. I am blessed and highly favored. I am powerful, for I have the power of the Holy Spirit inside of me. I can do all things. I am strong and courageous. I am confident, capable, and called. I am not who I once was. I am forgiven, and God is still transforming me more and more every day. I am a new creation. I give thanks that God is using my past to refine me and to prune me so that He can prepare me for what He has next for me. I wholeheartedly believe my prayers are heard. I represent the light and love of Christ, and I shine wherever I go. I have peace that surpasses all understanding. I wear a crown of everlasting joy. I am confident because the Lord is faithful. He is good and trustworthy in my life. I have a spirit of power, love, and self-control. I am loved with an everlasting love and drawn in with unfailing kindness. I am well able to do anything because I have God in me, in front of me, behind me, and around me. I will trust in the Lord and do good, and I will live in safety and peace. I am free from worry, for God carries every burden for me. He delights in the details of my day. I am present and grateful, for the Lord directs my steps. Today, I am where I need to be. I am renewed with youth, for God fills my life with wisdom, goodness, and peace. I am rich in what matters and have an internal inheritance that fills my life with overflowing joy. I live in joy and peace. The mountains and hills burst into song, and the trees of the fields clap their hands wherever I go. I lack no good thing, for I trust in the Lord. If God is for me, who can be against me? I live with confidence. I am covered in the shelter of His wings. God is my refuge and retreat, where I am always safe. I have a heart overflowing with encouragement, for I have nothing to fear. I am enough because I delight in the Lord and I put my hope in His unfailing love. I have peace at all times and in every situation. I have confidence because God is a way maker. He moves mountains and He still does miracles every day. I have nothing to prove, for I am loved and I belong. I am able to stand firm, for I have divine strength available to me. I am a light on a hill and love in this world. I will love, I will learn, I will grow. I am confident that God works all things out for my good. I am at peace about the unknown because I trust that God will prepare me and stretch me for all that He has planned for my future. I am a powerful thinker, able to take captive my thoughts and to set my mind on what is true, honorable, right, pure, lovely, admirable, excellent, and worthy of praise. I clothe myself with love, tender-hearted mercy, kindness, humility, gentleness, and patience. I am being transformed by God. He is still transforming my mind and filling me with wisdom. Therefore, I do not depend on my own understanding, but I find my power in His word and His supply. I am a voice of hope, encouragement, love, and courage in this world, calling others to rise up and show up for their God-given calling. Together, every act of love we do makes the world better. I live in a state of rejoicing no matter my circumstance. I am loved by God, seen by God, and delighted in by God. I live free from fear and anxiety, for I walk in peace, love, and joy. And goodness overflows into every crevice of my life.